Look at that face. It's called the shark nose, and it's here to eat the competition for lunch. This is the 2026 Cupra Formentor. It's the car that put Cupra on the map, and for 2026, it's gone full beast mode. We're talking Audi RS3 power in a crossover body in a hybrid system that actually makes sense for the daily commute. Welcome back to DRX Auto MOBI. Today, we're seeing if the new Formentor is the sharpest tool in the performance SUV shed. The headline for 2026 is the VZe PHEV. It's got the heart of an Audi. 2.5-liter turbocharged, inline-5, it pumps out 287 kilowatts and sounds like a baby Lamborghini. With the new torque splitter in the rear, this isn't just an AWD crossover. It's a drift machine that can shift 100% of the rear power to a single wheel. It hits 100 in just 4.2 seconds, putting it in a league where only the most expensive German SUVs usually play. But the volume seller is the VZe plug-in hybrid. For 2026, the battery is bigger and smarter. You now get up to 120 kilometers of pure electric range. That's enough to cover most Aussies for 3 days of commuting without ever burning a drop of fuel. And for the first time, it supports 50 kilowatts DC fast charging, meaning you can top up at a public station in under 30 minutes. It's the hybrid that actually acts like an EV when you want it to. Inside, Cupra finally fixed the one thing everyone hated. The volume and climate sliders are now illuminated, so you can actually see them at night. The new 12.9-inch display runs a much faster OS, and the optional Sennheiser audio system delivers 425 watts of pure crystal clear sound. With the cup bucket seats and copper accents everywhere, it feels more like a cockpit than a cabin. It's moody, it's premium, and it's distinctively Cupra. The 2026 Formentor is proof that you don't need a legacy badge to build a future icon. It's faster, smarter, and looks better than ever. Would you take the 5-cylinder VZe PHEV over a Porsche Macan? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX Auto MOBI. Stay sharp.